Welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, we make this beautiful simulation by using cloth physics. We apply physics cloth properties to this plane and apply collision property to this UV sphere to create this simulation. So let's start. When we open the default Blender, we have three objects: camera, cube, and light. We delete them, press Shift A to add a UV sphere. Make them shade smooth and then press Shift A to add a plane. Scale it. Go to the edit mode by pressing Tab. Press right click to subdivide. Open this menu and subdivide this plane up to 50 number of cuts. Press G and Z to move this plane along Z axis. Also make this plane shade smooth. Now go to the physics properties and we apply cloth physics to this plane. And we also apply collision physics to this UV sphere. In physics properties, cloth, we choose the cloth type denim. And then scroll down cache up to 100 and also end frame up to 100. And in collision, select self collision. Now we check this simulation. Beautiful. We make an cloth which collide with UV sphere. And now we apply material to these two objects. Go to the shading mode. I have an asset browser from where I choose material, and in fabrics I have an materials. From here I choose this material to cloth. Beautiful. And for plane I choose this material and then go back to the timeline and run the simulation. Beautiful. Thank you for watching.